Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl, Rejoice, in the building. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really appreciate it. In case you are new to this channel, you'll see my beautiful face for the very first time. Hello, my name is Rejoice, all the way from Ibadan, Nigeria. Please join this amazing family by subscribing to this channel. You can do that right now. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to all, share this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video, and leave your comments at the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. So guys, in today's video, it's gonna be a vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be a vlog. Right now, I'm fully dressed. I want to be on my way to University of Ibadan. Yeah, for like 2 weeks now. I ought to go there to go and bring like 2 or 3 contents, but then the weather in Nigeria has been doing anyhow. It has not been doing well. Yeah, like you will see the sunshine right now. In a couple of minutes you will see the rain, and anytime I go out to vlog, I always pray that the rain don't disturb me. Like I always pray that the rain doesn't disturb at all. So I just felt like, okay, today let me just do it. Like I don't know if it's gonna rain today. Actually, I've checked the weather forecast. It's showing that the rain will not fall, but with what I'm seeing outside, like this what I'm looking at, the way I'm looking at the sky right now, it might rain, but it might not be very, like it might not rain right now, but the weather is not so clear. So I want to take you guys along with me, yeah, because this is gonna be a vlog. I'm very sure that content will be up before this vlog. So if you are here to watch the content, the card will be up there, and I will leave the link to the video at the description area. Please help me to watch my ads, comment, share. Please help me to share. Please share. All right guys, I will be going out now, and I'm not going all alone. I'll be going with my boss, yeah, because he will be the one to help me with his car, yeah, because your baby girl don't have car and we really need it. So just stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Please keep watching this interesting vlog. So guys, we are inside the school now, but then I wanted to do an intro from the gates, but they didn't allow it. But right now I'm doing the do, okay? I will talk to you guys when we are through. Take a look at UI. So guys, it's 2 hours already. I'm still shooting anyway, but then I'm so tired right now. Right now, let me show you. This is Department of Petroleum Engineering. Yeah, that's the building. Like, it's a very big place. That department is actually big as well. And along that side, let me show you, is the Department of Mathematics and some other tech courses. So guys, I'm tired for today. Like I'm so tired right now. I'm still inside the University of Ibadan anyway. This is a department of biochemistry, and it's not far from faculty of pharmacy or something. But then I need to take something. Let me show you guys. This is very cold. I need to take that, and let me show you for my sisters. This gala is for you. If you want it, let me know at the comment section, okay? I want to take that right now. Then we will be on our way, okay, on our way home. Yeah, I'm so tired. Hi guys, good morning. It's another new day. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I celebrate you greatly. So yesterday when I got home, I was so tired. Like I could not continue the vlog, so I actually showered, I ate, and I find my way to my bed, and I tried, I relaxed a little bit. Then I think I watched some content, for the challenge that is up, that is trending right now, 1,500 naira challenge. So I was watching from different country what people are preparing. So after that, I think it's already late in the night, so I slept. And this morning when I woke up, oh my word, I edited the video. I woke up very early. I think I woke up around 4 a.m. thereabout. So I edited a video, even though I'm here to finish that video, which the video will be coming up tomorrow. Yeah, so, but I'll finish up today anyway. But right now, I need to do something, yeah, and I really want to take you guys along with me. Today, I will be taking off this braid. Yeah, I will be taking off this braid. Number one, if you look at the edges, and now this braid has turned me to Mama Eko, you understand? I've lost a lot of ears like that, so I really need to take this braid off today. And the braid is just 3 weeks. It's still very neat kind of, but for the fact that, you know, looking at all my edges, especially take a look at this place. Let me show you guys. Oh my word. I don't understand. So, and even apart from that, there is a video I'm planning to do, which this hair is not suitable for the video at all. So I really need to take off this braid and return back to my, you know, my regular style. In case you don't know my regular style, don't worry, you get to see it in few minutes. Okay, I have my own style, so I will take it off. I'm going to the salon this morning. Yeah, is it, I was in the morning? Let me check the time. I don't think so. Yeah, it's past 12 now, like 5 minutes past 12, so we are not in the morning any longer. I will take this off today and I will wash my hair and make a probably, you know, my regular style. Okay, hop back or shuku, anyone share. So I will take you guys along with me today. Let's see what we can just do today. I ought to go to an apartment. I need to go to around Akobo. There's an apartment there which is up for sale. They've been calling me, they've sent me the pictures, but I need to go there to inspect before bringing it down to you guys. But then I don't know if I'll be able to do that today. But if I couldn't do that today, probably some other time, which I would definitely bring back, which I will definitely show you guys the apartment. So right now I'll go into the bedroom, I'll go and shower, then we'll go to the salon. We need to take this off today. Enough of my makeup. So guys, I'm ready to go now. Let's go to the salon.
Like you care, hold me like you want, hold me anywhere, hold me anywhere. I know say, me and you, we go there, inside like.
So guys, I'm done losing my hair. Take a look at this. See, I don't turn to Mama Eko in the building. Anyway guys, I got this. Let me show you guys. This is what they call pito. If you know this, let me know at the comment section. This pito, I think I will show you guys how they prepare this anytime soon. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. So guys, I just finished my hair. Take a look. This is Mama Mileko. Okay, I have to use wig when going to work tomorrow. But then I saw a guy, you know, he was selling these cute plates. Take a look at this. So cute, and it's very, very cheap. I love it so much. It's 100 naira, just 100 naira. Like this whole package. Take a look. Take a look. This whole package. Let me focus very well. Okay. Now take a look at the plates and the cup. 100 naira. I love it, so I bought that. I'll be on my way home now, but then I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's another brand new day, and guys, I'm super excited. This morning I woke up with a lovely smile. Like, I woke up so happy this morning. And guess what, guys? We have 2,000 subscribers now. Oh my god, we have 2,000 amazing, beautiful people. Like, I'm super excited. Like, when I checked my studio this morning and I saw 2,000 subscribers, and you know, TVD actually sent a message as well, a mail that now you have 2,000 subscribers, another treasured. I was so excited. Like, I'm super glad. That's just it. I'm so glad. Right now I'm fully dressed for work. I want to be on my way to station, but then I was just like, I need to tell you guys because we got to celebrate this, okay? We got to celebrate this. Like, I'm so I'm happy. Like, I'm so happy. I really want to say thank you to every one of you that, you know, are subscribed to this channel. You are one of the reason why I'm smiling, and you are one of the reason why I keep creating content. Like, I really appreciate you all. God bless you. In case you are yet to subscribe and you have been watching my videos, please subscribe. Join this amazing family. Please subscribe, okay? I really appreciate you all. God bless you all. Things of joy will not cease in your life. Things of joy will not cease in your family. Everything you lay your hands upon shall prosper. Like, I'm so happy. Having 2,000 amazing, oh my god, beautiful, wonderfully made family. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Now I want to be on my way to the station. I will catch up with you guys later, okay?
5 shortest cuts to poverty. 1, I go do am. 2, I go soon do am. 3, let me think about it. 4, I will get back to you. 5, I can't do it. There's no successful person that gave these excuses and they become successful. The truth about the matter is that your village people and poverty, they're in partnership. They are trying to sign you with this excuse as their brand ambassador. You have to run to success.
So guys, at this point I was so tired and couldn't talk any longer, but then I went to the street and I saw a woman hawking this food. In case you know this food, let me know at the comment section. It's one of my favorite food anyway, like street food. I really love it so much. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new, and I will catch up with you guys in my next video. Bye.